Hello everyone, welcome to HujiProductions. So today we're going to open up this box and have a look at its contents, which is a Max pet spot washer from VAX, a car cleaning toolkit and a stain removal kit. So let's have a bit of fun and unwrap the goodies. Fancied one of these for a very, very long time, and so I'm very pleased to finally spend the money and get one. I think this is going to be very useful. Right, bear with me. Right, do this. Okay. So, outside, it's direct from VAX, by the way. So, this is an exterior cardboard box with the actual cardboard box inside. Hang on, let me show you. Okay, so inside you get the car cleaning toolkit. Some packaging and I can't get it out. That's better. And a VAX stain removal kit. Put that there and that there. I don't know why. And then you try not to drop that off the side of the table and break it before you've even had a chance to use it. So, exterior box off, and this is the VAX SpotWash Max Pet Design Spot Washer. So it's like a carpet cleaner really, but smaller scale, more for intricate parts. So home, car, whatever you need to clean really. I kind of tend to buy things because of the car, but this is definitely going to be useful in the house as well, which is great. So it's not just an auto thing. So we have a user guide. I've just got a nice diagram showing what all the parts are. Quick start. There's a Q code to scan to get more information. Lots of straightforward, simple instructions with nice lots of diagrams, which is very good for visual learners. So I'm going to put that to one side, and then you get these bits. And you get spot washer cleaning solution. It's rugs, upholstery and carpets, antibacterial for use with VAX spot washers. This is citrus burst scent. Nice. And what we got in here? Okay. All the brushes are... That one's fallen over now. All the brushes are in the corner of the box. Nicely packaged. So this is the Crevice Tool. This is the wide tool. And this one is your kind of normal go-to brush. So the brush that fell off earlier just clips in into there, so you can agitate things with it like that, just in case you didn't know what agitating was. And this one clips in this one, so that's got a rubber one as well, so you can unclip that and clip that one in instead. Nice, easy action like that. Okay. Right, we also have another bottle with a spray. So this is a pet stain and odour remover pre-treatment solution, suitable for all the lovely things that you might get when you have pets, which I won't go into. Just popping it down so you can see all the other bits and pieces. Right. What else? Oh, you get lots of bits. So this is also another brush, another suction tool, and this one has got a rotary brush, so this goes round by the power of the water, goes round, agitates all the dirt on the carpet material, makes it easier for you to extract it. It's quite heavy. Right. Just put that down there. And then you've got the actual gizmo itself. So you have a nice long lead. So they do a max and a non-max version of this. This one has, I think it's about 1 metre long cable, bigger water reservoir and dirty reservoir, and it's got a more powerful motor. So you have your hose, which packs away very neatly around the bottom part of this unit, and presumably clips in here somewhere when you do it right. I'll work out in a minute. You've got these for the wires to go round. Handle, it's not too heavy, well, at least without water. And you've got a clean tank. Oops. What have I done wrong? And the dirty side. Which all seems to pack up rather nicely. So that's that lot. Let's go back to this. So I bought this one, it's on a spring sale, which means you get more bits with it. So the stain remover has 3 sprayers to go with stain remover spray. Oops. Stain Shot stain removal spray, and Stain Shot stain removal spray Oxylift original and antibacterial. So lots of different solutions to use. Let's put that out of the way before I knock it flying. And then the last bit you get is this, which is a dry system. If I can work it out. So you've got this, which is your VAX car cleaning toolkit, and it's just so you can remove some of the horrible debris before you actually start putting solution through stuff. So as this goes together, like that. So you've got a vacuum here with a little flap which goes back, and a foam to stop it going, to catch the debris. It just clips together. This presumably goes on the handle. There's that. You've got optional brush attachment for the end of it, and an optional thing for poking down the side of your seats and hard to get out places. Right, so that's what you get. That's it unboxed. I will go away and read this so I know what to do to set it up, and then I will show you setting up in the next video. So thank you for watching. Again, this is the VAX SpotWash Max Pet. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope that's been slightly useful. It's interesting to see what all the bits are, but it'll be hopefully more interesting to actually go through and use them all. Thank you.